How to pay T-Mobile bill after cancellation. After cancelling your T-Mobile service, you can still pay bill through several convenient methods. To pay online, visit T-Mobile's official website and enter your account number. Once logged in, select Make Payment and enter the payment amount and date. Choose your preferred payment method, credit card, debit card, or bank transfer. Then select Submit to complete the transaction. If you prefer to pay by phone, call T-Mobile's official website and provide the necessary account details to process your payment. You can also make an in-person payment by visiting a T-Mobile store. At the store, inform the representative about your cancelled service and make the payment on site. If you have an equipment installment plan, be aware that your device payments will continue as usual even after service cancellation. If you close your entire account, the remaining EIP balance will be charged in full on your final bill. Keep in mind that canceling your account will not automatically cancel your autopay, so be sure to disable it separately. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.